Hang on, son. Hang on, Holmes.
Oh.
Yeah, get those gains, bro. Woo! What are we hitting? Oh!
Is it summer yet? I mean, you know. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Going to the shop, of course. Got like 4 or 5 inches of snow overnight. Just the norm. So today is still kind of a mystery day. Don't really know exactly what I'm doing. All kind of depends if I can get a helping hand tonight. If I do, we will probably go ahead and install the rear subframe, and I'll put my bushings in. Oh. That I got. So if all goes to plan with that, we can get the car back on the ground. If that doesn't work, we have, obviously I guess by the title of this video, might give it away as to what's going on, but we also have a bunch of new parts for the Kooky, half of which I don't even know what they are. So that's always a fun time. So we're gonna get to the shop here and we'll kind of see what happens. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Snow, man. Actually surprisingly warm in here. Alright guys, so I think the decision has been made. We're going to go ahead and start getting our subframe in the 240 today. As you can see, we got it here on the ground. I got it painted with some kind of rust protection paint. If you guys missed that video, go ahead and check it out. However, before we get started, actually I also have my subframe bushings right here. We got some PBM super solid ones. However, I need to go ahead and actually yank out the other 2 sleeves that initially I was not even supposed to yank out the first 2, which is why we're going to solid subframe bushings. But one thing I kind of forgot to do and didn't do, I guess, is keep the bushings in a freezer so they kind of shrink up a little bit, so it makes it a little bit easier for them to install. However, we'll kind of see how we make do here tonight with it, and yeah, so let's give it a shot. First off, we'll go ahead and kind of see what we got going on in here. Okay, so as I said, guys, these are the Power by Max solid subframe bushings. This should definitely do the trick for us. Nice packaging, nice pack. All right, so, oh, very nicely packaged. So we each have them kind of in their own little compartment. Woo, look at these. Those are nice. It'll be a snug fit, that's for sure. I gotta double check on which way they go in. Is it from the, I think it's from the top. It would make sense, right? Or no, it might be from the bottom. We gotta double check before we get too far. Alright, so good thing I double checked, because it turns out we have to install the bushings from the underside or from the bottom. So I flipped the subframe upside down. So now we're gonna go ahead and attempt to install them on the front here. I didn't freeze these suckers, so I don't know what kind. Oh, look at this! Look who joined us tonight! Oh. What's up, bud?
What's going on, man?
Oh, you know, just out here.
Get this installed.
Yeah,
let's do it.
That's the plan. That's the plan. Oh shit!
Oh shit! You want to just install that?
Appreciate you there, bud. All right, so we got it started. Kind of didn't really burr out. Burr? Is that the right word? Deburr her too much with the grinder there. A little bit. Kind of got it in place. Used the hammer. Got a piece of wood here. Got it going on here. Got it started. So now basically just hammer it in. These things also, they say that they raise your subframe 15 millimeters, which I don't know how that makes sense if you're adding that extra height on the bottom. But I guess it's a thing. Give you guys an idea. Yeah, except use 2 hands. Breaking my wood, dude. Dude, that is such a snug fit, man. Yes!
Oh, she going.
Oh! Yep. Woo!
Is that it?
That's in, dude.
That's all the way?
That's all the way in.
Oh, would you look at that?
That wasn't too bad.
That wasn't bad at all.
So they recommend you're supposed to freeze these things, which definitely would help.
Yeah.
Shrinks them up a tad ski. But we in there, definitely make sure you have some 2x4s because
Gonna need them.
you'll go through a bit of them. But
Jeez.
one down, she in.
Solid.
Yeah, gonna be, actually they look really nice too.
Yeah, they do.
I like the color. But
Gold solid.
one down, 3 to go. Oh, there she be. Woo! Damn, that hurt. That one hurt.
That
Really
one
bad.
looked like it hurt.
Toit like a toiga.
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the fridge. Just grab ourselves a bushing.
Nice cold bushing.
This is a nice cold bush.
All right, we're locked.
So we got it. And we're gonna try and just kind of slide her back up in the car. Should be pretty straightforward. Still gotta kind of hit a couple actually spots of this subframe with some paint. Kind of missed it, but we can do that later. Kind of a little tight for room here. Oh, you know what I wanted to do?
What's up?
Kind of wanted to paint up in here a little bit. Okay.
Need the safety goggles.
We should wear some goggles. Did I get you?
You got the hair. Got the hair. Gotta take cover behind the camera.
Shrapnel everywhere, dude. I'm fogging up, I can't see.
A little bit of paint.
And we should be good with that. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's the cash money. Whoop. Okay. Oh, geez.
Oh, hey now.
Oh, boy.
Oh, you want me to guide you to the hole over here?
Yeah.
You're a little far. There you
Oh,
go.
yeah, there's one.
I can go to the
Can
other
you jack
side.
me up a little bit? Can you jack me up?
Sure.
Just a couple pumps. Okay.
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 I can want me to get.
Hang on, Holmes.
Oh.
Yeah. Get those guns, bro. Woo! What are we hitting? Oh! What are we hitting here?
I'm just hitting right there.
What's the issue here? What is the issue here? Hey there.
Just chilling.
Just chilling. Right. I'm still curious as to how do these raise the subframe if it's on the bottom. I don't get that part. Alright, we need a hammer. Where's the hammer? It's going. Oh, here's the problem. Now, if you lift where your knee is, can you pump that up at all?
No, dude, that's all I got. That's all I.
Rigid?
She rigid.
Okay.
Oh, we're on the edge
Oh.
of glory here.
Oh no.
You gotta
this is what we're gonna do, Ryan.
Yeah,
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Might get sketchy. I see that hammer there.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I think what it is maybe we're just a little cockeyed. Like, how deep are you in the hole there?
I'm in.
You're in?
I am in the hole.
All right. Oh.
Set yourself up.
I'm in. Are you still solid?
I'm getting better. There we
Okay.
go. Are you in?
I am. Yeah, I'm farther past where I was. So if we give this,
is it over the fat bit?
yeah, she'd go right up.
Oh, really telling them, mate.
I think she'd go right up.
Okay. Here. Hama kudasai. Oh yeah.
Money.
It's that cash.
Got that blue cheese.
That Johnny.
That Benj. The Benjamin.
All right, that is in. Now we just need a little socket because the threads are all painted.
Yeah,
we back.
Hey now.
So we jacked her up there, and Got her real good.
We got some room.
Yeah, go ahead and
some room now.
yeah, go ahead and slip her on there.
Oh,
Put a little
sure.
sleeve, the little nut. Whoa!
Oh, hey.
Hey now.
A little bit of blue.
I mean, you can't
little
be able
bit
to
of
see these bushings,
a
but
little bit of gold.
they're pretty good.
They look nice.
They're sweet.
And one there, one there.
Shout out to Power by Max. Wish I got them for free. Wish I had a discount code for you guys, but I don't. They were $100 though. They were actually one of the cheapest bushings, and Power by Max is legit. You guys know obviously about Power by Max, I'd hope. The main subframe is complete. Right
on. Right on.
Right on then, John. And also, if you guys can like, my mind is just all over the, how do these raise, show them how they're set up. Show the bushing. How does this raise your subframe 15 millimeters? I don't think it does. And they don't go in the other way. Like, they definitely don't. This is the correct way to do it. Either way, we're solid. We're in.
Oh yeah, this
Time to
ain't
get some
going nowhere.
No, she ain't going nowhere. Wheel hop is no longer going to be a problem. For real. Now we got some wheels and some axles and some control arms and some other stuff to put on, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Scoop this whole assembly.
You're just gonna shove it all the way over?
I'm gonna try and just yank the whole thing over, yeah.
This is gonna be funny. It's gonna be good to watch.
I don't know exactly how well it's gonna go just yet. I don't know how well this is gonna want to roll because it's all kind of connected. All right. Jesus.
Wow, no, wow.
All right, that's
You actually did that.
yeah.
I was thinking it was gonna be a joke. Hey now.
Oh, we're in the strongman competition now.
God.
Yes.
How's your back?
Yeah. It's all about that proper form, right?
Oh, dude, lift with the
Back
knees.
was great. Okay.
How them glutes.
Okay. All right. Oh gosh, we're like all sorts of out of shape now. Now what?
I don't know. You got some tight fitment here.
Now what? I might just take these off so it's not connected as one. Unless.
Okay.
Ooh,
You getting
I can't really.
getting creative.
I'm
Oh, no.
to grab here.
I'm just gonna let you do.
I really don't want to mess anything up.
Just gonna let you do, man.
I don't want to. All right, we're taking the sway bar off. We're gonna be smart. Whoa!
Whoa, hey, a little tipsy.
Yeah. Little slizzer. What I come here for? 12 millimetric. All right. We are disconnected.
Solid.
This is all like upside down.
Oh, that's all just she chilling. Wow.
So there's our everything.
Oh, you putting this on first?
We're gonna put this one on first.
Ah, gotcha.
I think. Check that fitment out.
Yeah, you could fit a like half-grown child in there.
Dude, easily.
12-year-old.
I could get in the fetal position up in there.
Oh, you could.
All right, it is now 1 in the morning. However, the good part is we have a subframe installed and we have pretty much one side of the whole kind of wheel assembly complete. Obviously, we're nowhere near getting this thing on the ground. It is way too late. We're done for today. We'll be back here tomorrow. All right, guys. So we didn't get nearly as far as we planned on getting today with the subframe. We spent way too much time trying to get the thing actually flush and seated to the actual car. I'm so happy I didn't just went ahead and I was so close to just saying, you know, let's just send it and just leave it how it is, because that's all it wanted to. I couldn't tighten it up any further than what it was at. So then I was like, you know, this is not right. This is not proper. So I just basically loosened up the rear tube, dropped that down a little bit, because I mean, if you think about it, the rubber subframe, the OEM bushings, it's like snowing like crazy right now too. Actually, you guys can check a little sneak peek. That doesn't really show up on camera. But so we loosened them up and then was able to kind of pressure them up, because like I said, there's no play with solid bushings, zero at all. And if you think about it, ooh, a little understeer. If you think about it, the rubber ones, they have a bunch of play. Like, they have all the play in the world. They can move pretty much wherever they want to go. So it is tricky. I was almost, like I said, but we got it, and not a problem there. And then it took way too long to get the toe arm, or is it the caster arm, I don't know. The caster arm to actually seat in place, but it's good. I mean, it's nice. The subframe is out of the floor, off the floor, and same with half of my wheel assembly and stuff like that. But tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish that up, as well as probably dive into some other stuff as well. We have so many parts for the Kooky to dive into. So as always, though, you guys know my appreciation for you guys is awesome. Thank you for anyone out there who's still watching this video. It really means the world to me. And anyone out there who has been sticking up to date with the daily content. It's late. What time is it? It is 1 in the morning right now. On my way home, about to edit 2 videos. So things are happening. Car's coming along really, really awesome. So pretty happy about that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed. Subscribe. But we'll finish her up tomorrow. Get her set, get her installed, get her back on the ground, and we actually have a new LSD to install as well, so that'll be cool. And we're also gonna, I have a fun little video to do once LSD is in, and once it's actually warmer out, we can do a little test on the LSD, see how she works. But that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm out of here. Drive home. I'll see you guys later. Peace.